Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our fourth unit, that is Physical Education and Sports for CWSN, that is Children with Special Needs. It's called Divyang. So, in this chapter, we are going to cover four important topics. That is, first topic is aims and objectives of adaptive physical education. Second is organization promoting adaptive sports. Third is concept of inclusion, its need and implementation. Fourth topic is role of various professionals for children with special needs. So these are the four important topics that we have to cover in this chapter. Today we are going to start the first topic, that is aim and objective of adaptive physical education. First we need to know that what is adaptive physical education. APE. What do you mean by APE? Adaptive physical education means a specially designed program of activities, games, sports, and rhythms according to the interest, capabilities, and limitations of students with disabilities. It is created for the student with special needs so that they can also enjoy the experience of sports and recreation. So, this is the meaning of adaptive physical education. What are the now let's talk forward, what are the importance of adaptive physical education? Adaptive physical education allow for student to work on a more individualized curriculum that focus on each student strengths, need and interest. So the importance of adaptive physical education that measures the capabilities, strength, need and interest of each student with disabilities, each student with special needs. So this is the importance of adaptive physical education. A normal student and a student with a special needs are different interests, different capabilities, different limitations. So the designed program according to these student interests is called adaptive physical education. This is the aim of adaptive physical education. Now let's talk about the objectives of adaptive physical education. So objectives means the steps to achieve the aim. How we can achieve the aim, that to measure the capabilities, strength, limitations of children with special needs. So what are the objectives? The first objective is ensure services to meet special needs. A children with special needs should be given the different services by the school, by the institution, so that he itself can measure its limitations, capabilities. The second is the program based on interest and capacity of the students. Whatever the activities are designed, it should be based on the interest and capacity of the students. The third is develop motor skills. The fourth is equipment. Proper equipment should be provided to them. Fifth is teaching strategies based on students level and physical fitness. So whatever we are taught to the students, whatever we are designed any activities to the for the students, it should be based on the students level, because these students have the special needs, these students have the disabilities. So the teaching strategies based on student levels. Sixth is Next is enhance self esteem and self image. So these are the objectives to achieve the aim of adaptive physical education. I think the topic is clear to everyone. Thank you.